I'm back! Hey guys, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do giveaways on this channel. I am doing my next giveaway at 1K, so you can stay tuned for that. If it's not your first time here and you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos over the rainbow, why don't you go ahead and subscribe already? Of course, I would greatly appreciate it. In today's video, obviously you can tell from the title what we're doing. This is a staple video on YouTube, and so since it's my first year, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got for Christmas. So this does not include any of the stuff that I bought myself, and it also does not include any of my food items back here, so I will be doing a mukbang with those items. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it, and I'm gonna show you all the goodies that I got for Christmas. You know, I did do a Christmas Eve vlog, so that will be up on my couples channel, which I will link in the description box below. If you have not subscribed to that channel, please go and subscribe. There's going to be some great content coming, and I think you guys will really like it. So I get a lot of stuff around the holidays. My birthday is actually in November. It's the 1st of November. Shout out Scorpio Squad. So me and my big daddy, we have an agreement that we don't buy each other anything for Christmas, and we just focus on our kids for Christmas. But on Christmas Eve, we did go out, and we had a date night or afternoon, or you know, whatever you want to call it. We had a little date. We went out to lunch. We went to Hobby Lobby, and I got this. Hello, Team Leopard D. So I like this. It's just a cute little keychain. It was like $2. So I was like, I want that. Can I get that? And then Big Daddy also grabbed me a bamboo toothbrush, which I'm really excited about. I have not tried this yet, but as you will learn on my channel, I'm really about my products being cruelty-free and vegan and eco-friendly, so I really like that. You know, actually, somebody told me recently that the baby wipes that I use on my face are not cruelty-free, so I really want to look into that. If you know anything about that, please comment below. Are baby wipes cruelty-free? So yeah, anyway, he got me a bamboo toothbrush, and so I'm really excited about that, really excited to use it. Very eco-friendly. Check it out. So yeah, so that's what I got from my big daddy, because again, we do not exchange gifts for Christmas. Sometimes he likes to surprise me and get me little things. Like there was one year he came out and he had gotten me an engraved wine glass. It was really nice, so sometimes he does nice things like that. We also picked up these cute flutes for New Year's Eve, so we did get those too. Alright, and now we're gonna move on to what my mom got me. So my mom actually, normally she always picks me out a candle. Like I said, if you have not seen a couple of my other videos, like I have a vanilla bean Noel candle. She gets me a candle every year for Christmas, and some socks, like some real fuzzy socks and candy or stuff like that, and she always gives me a gift card. But this year, she actually asked me to pick out some stuff that I wanted, so I did. So I already knew what I was getting. So the first thing she got me was this Babyliss Pro mini hair straightener. So I did pick this out at like Sephora or Ulta or something like that. I really wanted a mini hair straightener since my hair had got, you know, since I had got all my hair cut off, which I apologize, I'm kind of looking all crazy today, but I'm actually going to get my hair done today, so I don't want to wash it or redo it or anything like that. So yeah, sorry you gotta see me looking a little bummy, but in my next video you'll see me looking all cute, so just wait for it. So yeah, I was really excited about this because I was using a fat hair straightener to try to straighten the back of my hair back here, and it was not working, and so she got me a mini hair straightener. So shout out, Mom, thank you so much. This is going to be very well used. All right, let's see. The next thing she got me, she had ordered my daughter some stuff from Claire's, but I really love anything like this. What do you call this? Rhinestone, you know, something like that. I don't know, it don't say anything. But I have some earrings and a ring and stuff like this, so I really wanted to get a bracelet that matched it. Oh, I also got a really cute like choker. So let's see what's next. Okay, so next I asked her to get me this Smashbox primerizer. You guys know, if you've seen any of my makeup tutorials, this is my go-to. I was running out, I love this, so got another one. Thanks, Mom, shout out. And then she also got me a new full-size Tarte Shape Tape, and I am actually in the color 29N Light Medium, which is a neutral color. You know, I told my friend Erin that I was starting to realize that I think I had pink undertones because I did a photo shoot where I was really tan and I wore pink and I looked really good. Normally I don't like to wear pink, especially when my skin is very light, because I feel like it brings out the redness in my skin and I don't like that. But I also have yellow undertones in my skin, and so for the longest time I thought that I had neutral undertones. So I'm back to thinking that I have neutral undertones because I tried some foundation with pink undertones in it and it was not right. Not right, no. I have olive skin, I have neutral undertones, it just is what it is. Yes, my skin gets red, yes, it gets pink, but listen, I don't have pink undertones. I just don't. I have neutral. I have both. I have both. I was blessed with both. So that's what I've concluded because, like I said, I tried some stuff with pink undertones and it did not work. So I am light medium, which is a neutral undertone. Okay, so this is actually really cute. My mom got the one for each of the girls, me, her, and my daughter, and it's a puzzle piece. Can't really see it. It says Danielle. It says Danielle, and it's a puzzle piece, and they all connect and they form a heart. So I thought that was really cute, really nice. Okay. And then, again, I did want some fuzzy socks. I love the fuzzy socks. Like, give me all the fuzzy socks. So she did give me these really cute Fireside Indoor Lodge socks. They're so soft on the inside. Like, oh, you don't even know. So I love getting those. I also got a candle again. Yes. Look at the top. It's all snowy and cute. So I love this scent, Marshmallow Fireside. She did ask me what I liked. This is what I liked. I love the Vanilla Bean Noel, but this is just so nice. It's like toasted marshmallow. I really love this. I'm going to burn that in a minute. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, I also got some new slippers, which I really love these. They're memory foam slippers. I did have some already, but she got me a new pair. And I actually don't even know where the other, I'm like missing one of my other slippers. So thanks, Mom. I love these. Like, I love being cozy, and well, obviously I love being cozy. Like, I don't know. I like to get cute sometimes, but I like to be cozy most of the time. Okay. The next thing we got is this bath pillow. I spend a lot of time in the bathtub, so that is going to come in handy. I really love that. And I really love this too. It's a BB scarf. And it's leopard. Y'all know it's leopard season. It is so soft. Ooh, so I really like this. So is it only, yeah, okay. So it's just like that. Ooh, I could probably put it up over my head too. Let's see. Oh, so cute. Okay. So I really like that. Okay. So that's what I got from my mom and Big Daddy. Now, my best friend Taylor did send me some stuff, so we're going to go through that also. The first thing she sent me is this really nice bra, strapless bra. Really nice, really cute. However, this is not my size. This actually is in a C cup. I'm an A cup, little bitty titty committee. But I ain't mad, you know what I mean? Like, the older I get, the more I love myself. That's a topic for another video. And that's actually, I'm going to address that in my Q&A part 2. I know I haven't posted my first Q&A yet, but there is a Q&A coming, I swear. I promise there is. So I will talk about my views on breasts in my Q&A part 2. So I think I'm going to do a giveaway with this. I think that would be okay, Taylor. You let me know, because I think that people would really like that. I can't wear this, and I want it to go to good use, you know what I mean? So we'll see about that. But very thoughtful. I love that gift. Okay. Let's see what else we got. She sent me all kinds of stuff. I did give some of this stuff to my daughter too. This is really cute, just a little notebook. I really love notebooks, and on the subject of notebooks, she sent me 2 purple pens, which some people might not care, but I actually really love purple pens. I don't know if you guys noticed. Maybe she did notice in one of the videos that I did. A lot of the writing in my book is purple in my notebook that I use. Yeah, so I actually do like purple pins, so I was really excited about that. I got 2 purple pins to go with, you know, the kind of purple one. Isn't that cute? It's the little things. Okay. She also sent me this really cute Guess purse. I'm all about it. I love that. I got just some like thank you cards and stuff to send out with my packages, so that was really nice. Oh, and then I got this. So it's an S, could be S for Selby, S for Spicer, S for Scorpio. Team S, I like that. Oh, and this was so cute. It's like a glitter mermaid tail bath bomb. Oh, you can't really see how glittery it is, but it is. It's glittery and cute, and I really like that. It's so cute. Got some really cute earrings. She knows I love black. Black goes with everything. Got some cute sunglasses for my small little head. Are these cute? Yeah, these are cute. Hey, thanks, girl. Okay, let's see. Just a couple more things. Oh, I really love this cute little vent clip air freshener, which I do have some of those to go in it. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with my voice, my brain and my mouth are not communicating. I don't know, my brain and my body are not communicating. Okay, so the last couple things we got, is this a necklace or is this for your hair? I think this might be a necklace. I could probably put it in my hair though. But I know she likes blue, but I do like blue too. Blue. I feel like it brings out my eyes. Could be wrong. And then I got this really cute, like kind of Aztec turquoise looking bracelet, which is really cute. I really like it. See a little head there. Yeah. And then she put it all in this cute little tote bag, which I could use for like, I don't even know, tanning her nails or like something. You know, I could definitely use this. So yes, I think that's it, you guys. And I did actually buy myself a new camera. That is also going to be in the Christmas Eve vlog on my couples channel. Again, gonna link that channel down in the description box below. Please, 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 please subscribe to that channel for me. I promise you guys are really gonna like that. So stay tuned. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm not going to mention any of the food items that I got again because I'm going to be doing a holiday mukbang with my big daddy. So subscribe to that channel because we got some good videos coming. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I got for Christmas. I really appreciate everybody that, you know, spoiled me and thought of me and got me something special. It really meant a lot. And I hope everyone enjoyed their Christmas and enjoyed spending time with their loved ones. Like, even though I did get all this stuff for Christmas and I had been buying myself stuff for Black Friday, all I really wanted for Christmas was to spend time with my family and for people to support my business. So please subscribe to my channel. If you want to buy yourself some merch, I've got a link in the description box for that as well. There's plenty of ways that you can support me, even if you can't buy anything. Just sharing my videos or any of my links definitely helps. So I greatly appreciate you guys. I hope that you had a wonderful holiday, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. So until then, I'll see you later. Peace.